Just cleared out this one spot over here where all my pots, well, most of my pots are. And this is where I'm going to put my container gardening, starting in the end of February, zone 7B. So let's get it all set up. All right, so far this is what I set up for the container garden. See all the containers. We recycle our soil, and a lot of our native soil is fertilized from our compost. And we use the soil that we broke down in our compost to fill up all of our pots. Alhamdulillah. Now, what we'll do is we will put some fertilizer in the soil to get ready for seeds. Now here we put in our vegetable fertilizer. So phosphorus, nitrogen, and some other source minerals that are good for plants, for starter plants. Because we're putting seeds right directly into these. So fertilize every single last one of them. Not to mention the compost that we have from our garden. Alhamdulillah. So we're going to water this in. Now we're going to water the fertilizer into the soil. Water it really well. Since it's still cold at night, it might be frozen a little bit at night, so you don't want to do the seeds right away. So let this settle in and neutralize the soil. Water fairly well, so your seeds will love it when they're planted, inshallah.